There are various cryptocurrencies that rose to a new all-time high during this 2021 bull run. In contrast, some crypto assets also faced a price drop. As a result, many digital currency traders are worried about whether it's time to hold or sell their digital assets. This is also the same situation that crypto traders could experience in one. This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will dive into the final leg of the 2021 as crypto bull run begins. 3 top altcoins lead. The original vision of cryptocurrency was to build an ecosystem independent of the legacy financial institutions, one that could thrive without the need for intermediaries and become more inclusive. In short, to democratize finance. But when things move too fast, they don't always go according to plan. Crypto prices doubled, tripled, and even quadrupled during the latest bull run, which hasn't yet necessarily come to an end. Everyone wanted a piece of the new alternative to the stock market, and the global financial system took notice. Institutions that had spent years trashing Bitcoin were suddenly adding digital assets to their balance sheets and adopting cryptocurrencies. This led to further government regulation and, in some cases, reactionary policies. It seems the regulators are still a few years behind the movement of the market. In the US, investigations of EOS and BitMEX are either recently wrapped up or still ongoing. Yet those companies were the standouts of the 2018 bull run. Crypto is moving too fast for market players and regulators. Or you can put the genie back in the bottle. But before we dive deeper to the final leg of the 2021 crypto bull, like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now. Well, this is your last chance to place yourself for the 2021 crypto bull run. The cryptocurrency markets are back in record territory. Bitcoin has crossed $66,000, while Ethereum is trading above $4,700. Not surprisingly, price predictions are back. And with the broader cryptocurrency market cap now barreling toward $3 trillion, the bulls are clearly in control. The MVRV Z-score that measures the deviation of market value from realized value and is used to assess undervalued and overvalued conditions has doubled to 3.91 this month. However, the value is nowhere close to the red zone above 5 that has historically marked the final leg of a bull market. The market value represents the total network value of the cryptocurrency and is calculated by multiplying the total circulating supply by the last traded price. Meanwhile, the realized value is calculated by valuing each coin at the price it was last moved. Although Bitcoin market valuations may not be cheap, they do not appear to be overstretched either, with there being a scope for an extension of the price rally. When market value is significantly higher than realized value, it has historically indicated a market top or red zone, while the opposite has indicated market bottoms or green zone, blockchain analytics firm Glassnode said in the MVRV Z-score explainer. The Mayer multiple, which measures the spread between Bitcoin's price and the 200-day moving average or MA, also shows the bull market is still far from peaking. While the metric has risen to a 5-month high of 1.39, it is well below the 2.4 threshold, above which previous bull markets peaked. Both indicators back up analysts' expectations of a continued price rally toward $100,000 in the coming months. That said, it may not be a smooth ride and the cryptocurrency may see price pullbacks depending on the degree of leverage in the market. The cryptocurrency remains vulnerable to macro risks and potential risks of traditional markets. According to Reuters, there is a growing view in the market that the US Federal Reserve may soon feel compelled to scale back stimulus more aggressively to contain inflation. US traders are now pricing a full rate hike into the Fed's September policy meeting next year. But by that time, New Zealand's central bank would have hiked 5 times, Canada's 3 times, and England's 4 times, a Bloomberg report said. Well, what are the top 3 altcoins to lead? October was another record-setting month for cryptocurrencies as Bitcoin or BTC surpassed its previous all-time highs and the overall crypto market topped the 2.6 trillion mark for the first time. Predictably, the highs brought out cries from experts on both sides of the debate. Some warned the highs are symptoms of a bubble that's set to burst, while others forecast that Bitcoin and the crypto market will go even higher. It's always good to be cautious after a big price rise, as given the volatility in the crypto market, there's a strong possibility that prices will fall again. Long-term investors may find it easier to keep their sights focused on the horizon and tune out short-term market sentiment. But it's still a good idea to keep an eye on overall trends, especially as they can guide our decisions on which altcoins to keep on our watch lists. 1. Ethereum. Leading our list of top altcoins is Ethereum. ETH had a box office 2020, delivering healthier gains than the likes of Bitcoin, and it has had quite the year so far. On February 3, 2021, the same month it exceeded 1 billion transactions, it smashed through $1,644 and hovered around that figure until April. That's when things really started to kick off. It started the month at $1,968 and spent April shooting up, reaching a high of a little below $4,077 on May 13th. Like pretty much every cryptocurrency out there, ETH was hit by the crypto crash of late May 2021, but things are still looking very optimistic for the coin. Despite a tough September with an unexpected split because of a bug in late August, Ethereum remains the second most valuable cryptocurrency. Hot in Bitcoin's tail, Ethereum is up about 830% in the past year. There's been a lot of excitement surrounding ETH, primarily because of the launch of Ethereum 2.0. Last year, November 24th marked a significant milestone for the debut of its transition to Proof-of-Stake or POS, when enough ETH was deposited to pave the way for the launch of the Beacon chain on the 1st of December. It's going to be a painstaking journey, but the event could kickstart some bullish activity over the medium term. It's also shaping up to be one of the best altcoins because of how it's going to be supported by PayPal, along with the likes of Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Should alt season happen during the rest of 2021 and into 2022, analysts will be looking at the best altcoins to see whether they can compete with Ethereum's recent all-time highs of $3,607.44 in early November. Top 2. Litecoin. Litecoin looks like one of the best altcoins in 2021. When BTC got near its all-time highs, many crypto investors began to look for established digital currencies that still had a long way to go before returning to the record set in late 2017 and early 2018. The boom of early 2021 saw many altcoins hit new highs. Litecoin was no exception, reaching an all-time high of $412.96 on May 10th. However, the price has fallen and partially risen since then, dipping to $105.58 in July, but rising again to $262.7 in early November. Some analysts are optimistic on a second bull run, with Wallet Investor forecasting an average of $255.63 by the end of the year. Given that it's also one of the cryptocurrencies supported by PayPal, Litecoin could be one of the top altcoins to invest in. As Litecoin currently trades at around $280 per token with an upside of more than 40%, it provides traders a potentially hefty return on investment. Top 3. Stellar Lumen. Stellar Lumen, or XLM, is one of the year's highlights. The native cryptocurrency on the Stellar's blockchain has been much discussed this year, and from a technical perspective, this isn't surprising. It appears XLM could be on the verge of a huge bull run should the bullish conditions persist. Some experts are predicting a near-term upside as high as 85% for XLM, providing cryptocurrency traders with a very decent return on investment. Whether Stellar Lumen is going to be one of the best altcoins to invest in remains to be seen, but it does provide a useful alternative to more established coins. With a devoted fanbase, it could be one to watch. Although many people remain skeptical about the crypto industry, various altcoins have indicated considerable potential as alternative investment tools. There are hundreds of platforms around the world that are waiting to give you access to thousands of cryptocurrencies. And to find the one that's right for you, you'll need to decide what features matter most to you. Which altcoins have the most potential? Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.